Hello, today we will guide you through how to download ChatGPT plugin in Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your Applications folder, or your Start menu, depending on the device you're using. Once PowerPoint opens, give it a moment to fully load so all the menu options appear correctly. This will make the next steps easier to follow. When PowerPoint is open, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Home. This tab is part of PowerPoint's main ribbon and is where many common tools are organized. Even if Home is already selected by default, it's still a good idea to confirm that you are on the correct tab before moving forward. That helps ensure the layout matches what you expect to see. Next, move your attention to the top right section of the PowerPoint window and click on Add-ins. This is the area where you can browse and install extra tools that expand what PowerPoint can do. If your screen looks a little different, take a moment to scan the top ribbon carefully, since the exact placement can vary slightly depending on your version of PowerPoint or whether you are using a work or school account. After the Add-ins window opens, click into the search field and type ChatGPT. Be sure to spell it clearly so the correct result appears. The search function helps narrow down available add-ins and makes it much faster to find the tool you want. If results take a second to load, that's normal. So just wait briefly for the list to appear. Once you see ChatGPT in the search results, click on it. This opens the add-in page where you can review the option before installing it. At this stage, it's helpful to read any short description or permissions prompt that may appear so you understand what the add-in will do inside PowerPoint. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary, but PowerPoint will guide you through the remaining installation steps. You may be asked to confirm, accept permissions, or sign in to continue. Just read each prompt carefully and proceed as directed until the installation is complete. And that's it. Once finished, the ChatGPT plugin should be available within PowerPoint for you to use. If anything doesn't appear right away, try waiting a moment or checking the add-ins area again. Thanks for following along.